Last time a quiet walk turned into a rescue mission, I found 3 newborns in the street, took them home, and syringe fed milk round the clock. You saw them then, eyes like glass marbles, bodies the size of teacups. Today's update? They've upgraded from baby mode to mini mayhem. This is Shadow, our pure black ninja with a purr that sounds like a tiny motorcycle. This calico cyclone is Mochi. 3 colors, 1 brain cell, and it's usually on lunch break. And Tiger, the black and yellow bruiser, part tabby, part tummy, 100% drama. Remember when milk time was a whisper? Now it's a war cry. They still walk like jelly on stilts, but the moment food appears, boom, Olympic sprinters. Respect for the bowl? Never heard of her. At least one kitten stands in the milk like it's a spa treatment. I mop so much the floor calls me manager. I bought a cardboard condo, specifically designed for cats. Shadow declared its sovereign territory within 5 minutes. They take turns sitting in it like royalty. Okay, more like toddlers who found a throne made of snacks. Apparently, it has 2 settings: sit and sit harder. Behold the box loo, their private bathroom. I carved a portal in a bigger box so they can crawl in to pee. Living room out here, bathroom in there. Civilization achieved. Tenants satisfied. Landlord tired but proud. Gold star for Tiger. Shadow uses it like a secret lair. Mochi still believes the entrance is optional. Every mealtime is a spicy telenovela. Eye contact, betrayal, and dramatic overreactions. They haven't eaten in years. Shadow shoulder checks like a tiny hockey player. Mochi counterattacks with the innocent face, then sudden head dunk. Tiger? He bodyguards the bowl like a security bouncer. Still wobbly, still dashing. Imagine 3 wind-up toys with GPS set to food. That's us. That's every meal. Best part? They're sweet to people. I can fluff them like little clouds. Shadow melts into a purr puddle. Tiger pretends he's tough, then slides into my palm like warm toast. From street to safe, from syringes to snacks, these 3 are turning a cardboard room into a childhood. If this cardboard kingdom made you smile, please subscribe and join our little rescue family. Every sub truly means the world and gives me the courage and resources to keep saving, feeding, and sharing more stories like this. Thanks for watching, and thank you to everyone who's already subscribed. You make these tiny miracles possible. See you in the next update.